Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy stocks on Google Finance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, navigate to Google Finance website and then sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, first you have to make your portfolio. Simply click on New Portfolio button and then in this box, name your portfolio. Once you have your portfolio, now click on Add Investment. This is your gateway to adding new stocks. You'll see a search bar appear where you can type in the name of the stock you're interested in. Google Finance will instantly display matching results. When you spot the stock you want to buy, click on it to open a detailed view showing its price, historical data, and key performance indicators. Next, decide on the number of shares you want to purchase. Enter the quantity in the provided field. After that, click on Purchase Date and choose the date of acquisition from the calendar pop-up. This helps Google Finance track your stock's performance from the day you bought it. Finally, click Save to confirm your selection. This last step officially adds the stock to your Google Finance portfolio. And that's it. You've successfully bought stocks on Google Finance. So that is how you can buy stocks on Google Finance. So that's all for this video. Thanks.